Welcome to this practical session. I'm Angel Borroy, I'm proud member of the Order of the Bee, and we are going to review today the ContentCraft add-on for Alfresco, which was authored by Raw Ethereal, which is an Alfresco engineer. And this is an add-on that has been made in the last Alfresco hackathons, and it has some features that can be extended. So in this session, we are going to test this add-on, and we are going also to add a small feature to the add-on just to see how Alfresco and how this content graph add-on can be extended. So the first is that we are going to download the source code. You can download from Roy repository or from mine. Okay, let's download the project. You see, like, this is a Maven project, but we have also a Minecraft server which is called Spigot, and we have also a bucket library which is used to develop the Minecraft features. So once the project is downloaded, we are going to unzip. We have now the project at this location, and we are going to use Eclipse just to import this project. Let's go and import this project to Eclipse just to make it easier. Okay, now we have the project inside, and we are going to make two small changes just to before testing the configuration. We are going to use a local Alfresco server, which is at this point, and in this case we are going also to patch this class as it's not finished, and it can be make problematic once we start with the project. Okay, now it's patched and it's ready, but we are using also an Alfresco. This is a default Alfresco. You can use Alfresco 4.2 or newer. We have a site which is called Minecraft, and inside this site we have different folders. This floor 1 with room A and with this kind of files inside. And we are going to log into Minecraft, and we're going to see how we can represent all this infrastructure inside Minecraft, right? Let's start the project. We can package the project. So now we are compiling all the project for the Minecraft part, and we are starting the Minecraft server. This will start the Minecraft server with our code inside. So we have a local Minecraft server, including all the features provided by this add-on. As you see, there is this expected command that we solve later, but we have our content graph loaded, right? So once the Minecraft is ready, we can choose our client. We are using Minecraft 1.12.1. This is our current compatibility, and we should use a local server, right? So we are not connecting with our local installation. This is not the best zone just to create our sites. So let me find something that is more plain, just to build all the structure we need. Okay, I see that is probably we can use this one. Okay, let's try at this point. I don't know. Okay, let's check if our server is running. Okay, our server is running. So now let's try and build that Minecraft site. So build site Minecraft, and let me see. Okay, here it goes. We have our structure just built at this point. Okay, probably something is down the stairs, but we can see like we have that floor 2 created by admin. Okay, let me find the. Okay, this is not good, but you can see how the building is creating all the folders inside the site. And also, we remember we are on floor 2, room C. We can even check that a different file, for example, sample 3. Okay. And we can even read the content, and we can modify even the book is done. And then we can go back to Alfresco, to floor 2, room C. We see like room C or room D? No, which one was the room? Sorry, let me go back to to Minecraft and see. It's floor 2, room C. Okay, floor 2, room C, sample 3. Okay, you see, it's a new version with our modifications inside. So as you see, we are representing an Alfresco site like a Minecraft building with all the folders as floors, and the inner folders as rooms, and inside chest with all the files inside. So how this can be done? Okay, so we have our Minecraft client, which is we are using commands. That build site was a command which is sent to the Minecraft server. The Minecraft server is sending that message to our ContentCraft addon, and this ContentCraft addon is using CMIS to communicate with the Alfresco repository and to get all that information. So this is how it works, and now we are going to extend this feature, and we are going to create the members of the site as persons inside Minecraft, as villagers. The main problem with this is that we can expect that we can use also the CMIS API just to retrieve all the users of a site, but this is not implemented in Alfresco. So we can recover all the authorities for a site, for this site's Minecraft, by using the CMIS. We can retrieve all the authorities, but we cannot retrieve the users from inside the authority. So we need to go back to the this is because this relationship, this association type, is not exposed to CMIS API. So we need to use the classic REST API from Alfresco, and we can say that we can use that site's Minecraft and memberships call, just to see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 users. These are the members of the site. So we are going to create on the add-on a new REST API client. We are going to retrieve all these users, and we are going to spawn the users inside the Minecraft world. So first of all, we need a way to invoke a REST API, and we are going to use just the Apache common HTTP client for this. We don't need anything else. So let me include the dependencies inside the POM, inside inside our project, we are going to create also a file for configuration of the REST endpoint. Let's call it REST JSON. Okay, and we are going to create all the credentials, which is localhost Alfresco or local Alfresco with the credentials. And as you see, we are using this CMIS client to connect to Alfresco and to retrieve the folders. And we are we are creating a new REST client. We are going to call it REST, and we are going to use our Alfresco Minecraft ContentCraft REST. Right? Okay. Let me find my file as I create that file before, just to make it easier. And as you see, we have our configuration from this file, red, and a ticket. The way to obtain a ticket from Alfresco, as Alfresco REST API is using the authentication based in ticket. And we have our get members method, which is invoking this REST API, and is including a username, a list of the username of that members. Now we need to create a method to spawn villagers inside Minecraft. So let's use that build site, that site builder class. This is the one to build the root folders to make the building. So let's create another one to spawn the site members at villagers. We are going to retrieve by using the REST API the members, and then we are going to create 2 units to the south, each one, different villagers for every site member. Right, so we are now including this spawn site members invocation at this point. We need the player. So as we don't have this player, we are going to pass the player as parameter on the different class involved. Okay, this one. Okay, let me assign that player. Okay, player center. Okay, we're done. So now we have some problem inside, which is because we need to pass the player at this point, and it's done. Okay, it's fine. So now we have an invocation to the REST APIs to retrieve all the members of the site, and now we are able to spawn all these members as villagers. Now we need to stop this wall. All right, let's stop also Minecraft, and we are going to recreate the world. Let's see if we can find a world more plain for this second test, and you'll see how the building is more easy to work inside. So we are going to compile all this again. This is a new wall with our modifications, and start that wall. Okay, fine. Let's go again with our Minecraft. Okay. Now it's creating the world. This is the moment. Let's see if we can find a more plain world for this. Okay, let's create him. Okay, let's see if it's done. It's done. And now, again, we are going to a new wall, and we are, oh, this one is better. So we are going to create again the site, and we are going to see like the site, the building is created, but also we have the users created as villagers beside me. Okay, and as you see now, it's easier to move, and we have again that floor 3 and all these rooms inside with the book. So we are done. I hope you enjoyed this recording, and just play with it, and tell us what do you think about this extension. See you in next videos.